Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to achieve financial freedom in 10 years. Step 1. Define your goals. What does financial freedom mean to you? What lifestyle do you want to live? How much money do you need to achieve that lifestyle? Once you've defined your goals, you can work towards them with a clear focus. Step 2. Create a budget. This will help you to keep track of your expenses and ensure that you're not overspending. Identify your monthly income and expenses and make a plan to reduce your expenses where possible. The third step is to invest wisely. This means diversifying your investments and choosing investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or other types of investments that have the potential to grow your wealth over time. The fourth step is to pay off any high interest debt that you may have, such as credit card debt. This will save you money on interest payments and free up more money to invest towards your financial goals. The fifth step is to create multiple sources of income. This can be through starting a side business, freelancing, or investing in passive income streams such as rental properties or dividend stocks. This will help you increase your income and reach your financial goals faster. The final step is to track your progress. Regularly review your budget, investments, and debt repayment plan to ensure that you're on track to achieve your financial goals. Celebrate your milestones along the way and stay motivated to keep going. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more great content.